channel. Let me start out by saying, if you like the videos, please subscribe to them and hit the bell so you can get notification every time I put a new video out. But please subscribe. That's important, guys. I'm putting some bacon in the oven and I'm doing it my way, which I always do things my way. And I think the way that I do it makes it simplified, and I'd like to help you to do it so it can be simple for you too. That's not too much mess and more safer than putting it on the stove the old-fashioned way and trying to make bacon in a frying pan like we used to do when we were kids. So just come along with me and I'll show you exactly how I'm gonna do this, guys. Start out by cutting open my bacon here. I'm gonna lay it out on a sheet pan. So I just lined everything out on a sheet pan, and I actually lined the sheet pan with some aluminum foil so cleanup will be much more easier for you. And I got my oven set to 375 degrees. That's gonna work for me. I'm gonna stick the bacon in and it's gonna take about 20 minutes to get it all done and ready to go. So follow me, close it up into my preheated oven. We'll come back and check it in about 10 or 15 minutes in case we want to turn them. I got my bacon in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a set of tongs. Go ahead and take your bacon out. Look at it. Perfect. And you can see, nice and uniform. It's not shriveled up and curled up into a pig's tail like it does when you put it on the stove, which you've been doing. You're guilty of that, I agree, I admit. Yeah. This way it works for you. It stays straight and nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip them over. See how easy that comes up? It might not look like it's cooked on one side, but that's not what we're working with. We're not done yet. You're working this way to eliminate burning the bacon. You don't want to do that, so keep an eye on it to check it. This was about 10 minutes in the oven. Back in the oven. Right, guys, here we go. Here's the bacon. And now tell me that doesn't look good. It's ready, guys. No mess, no fuss. Get a paper towel lined pan. Drain them off in there, guys. Look at that. That was easy, right? And they're not all wrinkled up, looking like bacon that had an attack in a pan and whatnot. Now, nice and even, nice and straight. And they're a little limp, and that's fine because guess what? After they sit for a while, they're gonna be nice and firm and crisp. And that's how you make bacon in a sheet pan in your oven, guys. Just like this. No mess, no fuss, no grease all over the stove. You ain't gotta be having hubby clean the stove off for you because you messed it up. Or you don't have to have wifey cleaning the stove off for you because you messed it up. Nice and done. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.